Quantum computing is no longer the stuff of science fiction. It's here, and it's transforming industries at an unprecedented pace. But here's where it gets controversial. While some see it as a game changer, others question its practical applications in real-world scenarios. Now, Iberdrola is stepping into the spotlight by backing quantum computing in the Basque Country, a move that could reshape the energy sector as we know it. Iberdrola España, the Spanish subsidiary of energy giant Iberdrola, has joined forces with the Basque government in a groundbreaking partnership aimed at propelling quantum technology forward. This long-term agreement, signed with the Department of Science, Universities and Innovation, focuses on exploring how quantum computing can revolutionize the energy industry. From developing cutting-edge technological capabilities to fostering knowledge transfer, this collaboration is a bold step into the future. As part of the BasQ Quantum Strategy, Iberdrola España will become a member of the IBM Euskadi Quantum Computing Center. This membership grants them access to the IBM Quantum System Two, a state-of-the-art second-generation quantum computer powered by IBM's Heron processors and the Qiskit software stack. And this is the part most people miss. This installation in San Sebastian by the end of the year marks the first of its kind in Europe. Following earlier deployments in Japan and the US, members of the center will gain access to resources that will not only train the next generation of quantum computing professionals, but also drive economic development and innovation. The goal? To align with the Basque government's vision of leveraging quantum technologies in areas like AI, material modeling, and medical diagnostics. But Iberdrola's ambitions don't stop there. The company is also collaborating with the Basque government on applied research, advanced training, and scientific outreach projects, all centered around quantum computing's potential in the energy sector. This builds on an earlier partnership with Multiverse Computing, a Basque Country-based startup, to optimize battery placement on the Spanish grid using quantum algorithms. Here's the bold part. Iberdrola España sees this as more than just a partnership. It's a reaffirmation of their commitment to using innovative technology to transform the energy model. Beyond grid optimization, they're exploring quantum computing's potential to enhance weather forecasting, simulate advanced materials, and accelerate energy efficiency algorithms. For the Basque government, this agreement is just the beginning. They aim to establish the Basque Country as a European hub for quantum science, talent training, and industrial applications through a series of public-private partnerships under the BasQ Initiative. Now, the question for you. Is quantum computing the key to solving some of the energy sector's most pressing challenges, or is it still too early to tell? Share your thoughts in the comments. Let's spark a conversation.